What are you going
Ready
to?
for action.
What are you going to do, Rozal?
I'm going to put citric acid into here and the test tube. I don't know what will happen, but you know. 1, 2, 3, go! Watch. Now look at. You're looking, aren't you?
Wow.
Look.
That is awesome.
See that?
Right,
The
Rozal?
underwater volcano.
Yeah.
It's spilling like it never did before.
Underwater volcano.
No, I know, right?
That is super
Hi.
cool, right, Rozal?
I know, right? So this is the underwater volcano. Really, I never seen one, but this is my first time seeing one. And I only did it. But with a little help with someone.
Hi.
I know, that's my mom.
Chalo, let's read the 7th step.
Yeah, so the 7th. So this was what we had done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this
Yeah.
is what we had done, and now we are on the 7th step, then
Read
the
it.
8th step.
Read.
So the 8th step, the 7th one was wait for the reaction to die down again. By this time, the
solution.
the solution at the bottom is probably pink. See, probably pink.
Yeah.
Whoa, see this? This looks like ice cream, I know. This looks like diamonds. This looks like, I don't know, maybe...
Pink syrup.
Yeah, pink
Okay.
syrup.
What does?
What does this tell you about the real lady?
No. Acidity.
Acidity or basicity of this
Solution.
solution. Yep, it's
Acidic.
acidic. So what do you think will happen if you had used baking soda, a base?
Ooh. So what's the 8th step?
So the
Measure.
Now, guys, it's going to be the 8th step.
Chalo.
8th step. Measure 1 medium scoop of baking soda and add to the test tube. What will happen? Were you correct?
Okay. So 1 medium scoop of baking
Now
soda.
we're going to use 1 medium scoop of
Rozal, wash first.
baking soda.
Yeah. And we have to
Now, how
dry
do
it.
we dry this, guys?
Go and acha. We should not do that actually. Okay, jaldi karo.
So, now we're going to use baking soda.
Jaldi jaldi
So,
dal.
baking soda, 1 medium scoop,
बस हो गया. Okay.
1 medium scoop of baking soda. What does it say?
Baking soda.
Yeah, baking soda, and on 1, 2, 3. Okay, I don't know what's happening right now.
Let's wait.
Yeah, let's wait. Yeah.
What happened?
Should we?
It will go. No.
Oh yeah. Oh, you see? See from the top. See from the top.
What's that? Hadra.
It's yeah. See? No.
Ooh.
Oh. I know, right? Water volcano. Now you have to see from this side. See from this side what it made.
Oh my God.
I know, right?
Yeah.
This is cool, right?
This is super cool.
We have to wake up Papa.
No. Rozal Papa को पता है.
Well, See from the top, see from the top right here.
Yeah.
Right here. It looks like ice cream now.
Acha phir. Okay. Ninth step.
Oh, now it's the 9th step. But see right now.
It was the ninth step.
When you're done having fun with it, be sure to clean out the tested tube with the soap and water. Wash out all the oil
Residue.
residue. But
Wow.
I have to feel this.
No.
Why?
Never touch your experiments, Rozal, like that. You
But
have to wear gloves for that.
Then come on, give me gloves.
What if it burn your hand? Right?
Yeah. But
Look
see,
at
right?
these diamonds.
Yeah, but those are not diamonds. Those are the bubbles from the oil.
Yeah, that's correct.
The oil.
Okay.
From the oil. And this, what does it look like to you? I bet it is purple or maybe pink. But hey guys, be sure to subscribe on Mind Blowing Science.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.